Go score.
Score.
Way, yay! Hurry! Score!
Score. Score. Score.
I can't see him.
Score. Score.
Hurry, Max! Make a score!
Score.
Hurry! Yeah!
Soccer. Soccer.
Good job, Max. Do we have a soccer player? I can't believe he's kicking it like that. Good job, Max.
You want to score? You don't want to score yet? Okay. You do want to score?
What do we say, no? Good job, Max. You kicked that ball so good. Good job. You gonna kick both of them?
Score. You want to score? You don't want to score yet? He tried to tee it up so he could kick them both.
I know. He's pretty good with that soccer ball.
What was that little move?
I'm not real sure.
Jesus.
Somebody's gonna sleep good tonight. Good job, Max.
You filming him?
Yeah. Good job, Max. Good job.
Score! Score!
Throw it at the goal. It's too much fun to kick it. Are you taking a break? Ooh, what's that? Don't pick that up. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay, it's nothing. He's actually kind of unbelievable. I'm actually watching him going.
He's using both feet.
I know.
See that little bit?
Yeah, I did. I'm like, I don't really know what to think. I don't know where he's learning this.